Introducing the pinnacle of modern bathroom elegance, the Bower behind-the-wall standard height toilet in a sleek, matte white finish, a hallmark of innovation designed for the contemporary home. This Bower toilet suite redefines minimalism with a concealed cistern positioned seamlessly behind the wall to create an unobstructive, clean aesthetic that enhances any bathroom renovation. Experience optimum hygiene with its open rim design, enhanced flushing power, and a spacious drop zone. Thanks to the smart engineering, you can say goodbye to the hassle of frequent cleaning. The contemporary design features a soft-close, detachable seat crafted to eliminate hidden crevices where bacteria can thrive. The matte white finish extends across the entire suite, offering a warm, non-reflective surface that offers warmth and adds a touch of tranquility to your bathroom. One of the biggest challenges of any bathroom renovation is the ability to colour match all of your products. Customise to your heart's content with our wide range of flush plate finishes, featuring extensive selections from both Geberit and Nero to ensure a flawless match with the other bathroom fixtures. Choose the Bower behind-the-wall toilet suite, the preferred choice for homeowners and designers alike. Bower Bath, transform your bathroom into a sanctuary of style and comfort. Discover more today at thebluespace.com.au.